This comes FedEx. Always a problem when they ship it FedEx. What the hell is this? I guess a return? No, there's paperwork here, it looks like. Yep, it's paperwork. Must just be a repeat customer. These look like Porsche injectors. Ooh, nice and organized. I see paperwork down there. What is in the paper towel? Some side feed RX-7 injectors. Alright, I'm going to Alright, paperwork's down there, yeah. Looks like, well, they hand wrote it instead of printing it. That's fine. At least we have the information. And these look like some Toyota Supra injectors. Okay. A couple side feeds in a row there. Looks like some N54 injector. Oh no, these are some Mercedes piezoelectric. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I thought there was 5 there, but yep, 6 paperwork there. All good. Alright, this one looks like a truck ran over it or something. Let's see what's inside. You almost don't even need to cut it open. The cardboard's so weak. What do we got? Looks like BMW piezoelectric. Index 12. Don't see any paperwork. Oh, what's this? Oh yeah, okay, we got something there. All right. Oh, look at this, shopping bags. Okay. That's interesting way to package that. Like the end of a television or something. Alright, so it look like some kind of older import injectors. Maybe Miata or something. And this one is one of our boxes with a, I guess it's a return. I don't know what the heck this is here, but okay, this must be a return. So look into this one. Okay, this wins the award for the biggest label I've ever seen. It's an entire sheet of paper. Alright, I don't know what this is. It looks like injectors we sold someone. And the adapter harnesses, which actually this is it's a good video to show about something else here. But yeah, this is something we shipped out to someone. I'll have to look into that one. This one actually, look, you can see the order numbers on the outside of the package. Always good. So even if there is no paperwork, we know whose they are, what order it goes to. And they have paperwork in there anyway, so let's see what they got. They're individually bagged and numbered, so we'll keep them in that order. That's an interesting paper towel or napkin. Oh, some old Delphi injectors. These are usually not the best results with them. And you can see there's all kind of rust on top, so hopefully it works out for this guy. If not, good thing is you can upgrade to a newer Bosch injector. Yeah, you'd be able to take this injector here and replace it with a newer Bosch one. O-ring to O-ring is the same height. But hopefully we can get this guy's working for him. Alright, this one looks like it was already opened up here. There's paperwork, and you got some higher flowing. So there's a cap missing on that one, so just so we know. Later on, it only came with 3. So none else in the box. And that's that. Alright, so we got their paperwork in there, or at least an order number, so we know whose they are. The masking tape. Looks like RX-8 injectors in here. Four RX-8 injectors. Wow, those are not the right lower grommets. These are rarely ever used on anything. I'm surprised to see those on RX-8 injectors. Yeah, I don't even know if that's actually sealing. Alright, so there's this order here. Paperwork included. Paper towels. Yeah, looks like we got some side feed. Don't know what Nissan they're out of, but definitely out of a Nissan. Okay, and they did order side feed service. 6 of them. I only counted 4. Was that 1, 3? Oh, no, there are 6. Okay. Feel an injector in here. Old cold start valve. And another one. Feel something else here. Another cold start valve. 2 of them. There more. Yep, there's another one with a note in it. Looks like paperwork there. Alright, what do we got? BMW piezoelectric index 12s. They appear to be legit. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the paperwork included. All right. All right, another heavier side one. Okay, what the heck is this? Okay, look at that. We got a nice little handy dandy bag. What the hell? This is why we do these videos. You never know what you're gonna get. Look at this. We don't film every one of these things. We'll randomly pick some sometimes to do. But here we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. BMW, piezoelectric. They appear to be index 12. You can't really see anything on here. And these you can, I don't know. These are a little questionable. But I guess we'll check them out on the bench and see. Yeah, I've never seen that before. It's almost like this was shaved off and then something engraved into it. That's new. Well, we'll be able to tell on the bench if they're good or not.